Yes, who's this? Creflo Dollar? Oh, I don't want to talk to you. No pastors, no ministers, no evangelists, nobody from the church. I grew up in church, but I leave the church because all of you are pimps. You are people, you are pimps. I don't want to talk to you. What do you want? You're trying to collect money for your plane, so you can preach the word of God. Let me tell you something. Go under your mama and go get the tithes in Africa. Me no have no money to give you. You understand? You hear me, sir? Me no have no money to give you, no Creflo Dollar. Me no have nothing to give, no. Cause what you guys do, yeah? You have your church congregation and you have them as house. Yes, I said house, because the reason being is because they bring them like $1,000, $500 or $100 or $50 and giving them every minute. And what you do is take the money and buy planes, Rolls Royce, luxury houses, take vacations, put your kids in college. There's no hope here. So you know what? If you know what you know, don't call back the phone. You're gonna burn in hell. I mean, I don't care who get mad. I'm not a church house.